Welcome back to Faceless YouTube Profits. In this video, I want to address this question that people are typing in the YouTube search. The question is Faceless YouTube profitable? Okay, so I want to address this and basically prove to you and show you that it is profitable, but you got to be smart about it, and there is a strategy behind it. Okay, so if you go back and watch my last video, I recommend, I'll leave a link in the description below. Go check out this one right over here where I unpack all the revenue that I generated, over $300,000 that I can tie back to one Faceless YouTube channel the last couple of years. But I want to show you just in the last couple of days, like proof of sales that can come in as a result of a Faceless YouTube channel. Now, this particular brand new channel that I'm creating right here is talking to you about Faceless YouTube channels, but it's going to be a lot different than most of the channels out there. If you go over to YouTube right here and just type in, Faceless YouTube channel, something like that, right? There's going to be all kinds of different stuff, but this is the kind of stuff that you're going to come across. All right. Now, I have a little bit of an issue with someone up here with 200,000 subscribers. This person right over here, they actually make all their money with blogging. And then they decided the last couple of years to come onto YouTube, but they have an actual YouTube channel that they show their face, right? So they're not qualified no matter what they think they're doing over here and the credibility that they have. They're making YouTube a video about how to create Faceless YouTube channels, what to do, all this stuff. And guess what? They're not out there in the trenches. They didn't actually go out there and make hundreds of thousands of dollars. They made all their money with blogging, and then they just came onto the YouTube platform, and their channel right over here, if you go and look at their channel, they're on camera. Look.
Hey everybody, welcome back.
Everything that they're doing is on camera. So are they qualified to teach you about Faceless YouTube? Look at, they're on camera. The entire time they are on camera, and that's what they're teaching, right? And so they're not really qualified. They haven't gone out there with a Faceless YouTube channel like what I'm doing right now. There's no face involved. We're just pushing record. You can actually go and outsource the voiceovers if you want to. I'm not hating on people's success. This guy's very successful. And you can come down here and find all kinds of other people. But this guy, how to create a Faceless YouTube channel, Yori, he's really good at this, YouTube automation and stuff like that. But he is teaching you on a face video where he's on camera, right? A talking head video. So most of these people are getting on here and they're not even teaching you real Faceless YouTube, right? So what I'm doing on my channel is I'm actually showing you right over here. I'm actually not going to be on camera on this channel particularly because I want to show you that you can grow a channel without being on camera. Now I have a channel and I'll reveal it in this video over here. Go watch that one, I recommend it. But that video or that YouTube channel is 100% faceless and it's made me over $300,000 that I can tie back. And you'll be able to see all the different money, the money that I made last month. Go watch these videos right over here. But what I can show you is on the channel, my LearnWire Faceless channel, that I got a customer over the weekend. Someone came in and bought a 12-month package into this community right over here that I run. It's called the Six Figure Freedom Club. I'll leave a link below. You can go check it out as well. Did they find me from LearnWire? This is a Faceless YouTube channel. This one is I show my face talking head video. Our channel right over here, Teach Me Money Methods, is actually now rebranded to my personal name. And then TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and email list. But we go and look at view results. Look, all of the different members, not everyone has filled this out, obviously. I've had over 150 customers come in here to the Six Figure Freedom Club, and you can see we don't even have 100 votes. We only have 89 votes. We've got a couple that came from an email list, and then all the rest of them, most of them, right, about 60% have come from this Faceless YouTube channel, right? And so if I click over here, we can actually go in here and look at all the different customers that have come into this community over here, right? And this is a community that it's a paid community. Well, you can see right over here, Rick Berry came in, bought an annual subscription to Six Figure Freedom Club, and they purchased, right? So they're a new member right over here, and they came in via LearnWire, right? And LearnWire is another channel. If I come over here and just to show you LearnWire, this is my channel right over here. You see, I just released a video 14 minutes ago, 19 views, but this is the channel. I'm never on camera. There's a picture of me, but I'm never on camera. You can see this is the way that we run this channel. There's no talking head. There's no even webcam in the lower right-hand corner, nothing like that. And this is how it works, right? And so I've got 533 videos published over here, only 14,000 subscribers. It's a very small channel. But this channel, I tie it back to a lot of income that I've made with affiliate sales. This is a very commercial intent type of channel, and you can go out there and do this too. You can do software reviews, you can do product reviews, you can do health and fitness supplements reviews, you can do home product reviews, you can buy products on Amazon, review them, you can make money with the affiliate program. There are so many different things you can do on YouTube to make money. You can see most of these are all reviews, and I have authority in this space. So we'll just go and
all right, welcome back to learn
this out before, but I'm going to go ahead and say Junia AI review. We'll go over to good old Google to see what is going on over here as well. So if I go over here and I'm going to go into an incognito window over here, I'm just going to paste in this commercial intent keyword, right? So when people are typing in Junia AI review, they're already halfway have their wallet out and they're ready to make a purchase. They're just trying to find the right person, the right influencer, an honest review to nudge them in the right direction if it's the right software for them or not. So I push enter over here. You can see Trustpilot comes up, and then Junia AI, they're doing great with SEO and they are ranking for a lot of stuff. And then we come down over here, we'll look. And you can scroll down over here. I'm ranked number 11 for this. My video will show up number 1. This is a competitive keyword. This software's been out for a year. So there's already been a lot of people that have done a Junia review right there. But you can see we're ranked almost on page 1, almost in the top 10. We can go do this with another software as well. So I'll just go back over here and we'll go and look at another one. So let's just go and see maybe this one right over here. Creatica.
Hi everyone.
Let me go mute that real quick. And I'm going to go and just grab Creatica because that's at a very unique, spelling of a product. We'll come back over here and we'll test this one out. We'll put that one in and then you'll see right over here. This is the perfect example. Look, Creatica review. And we are ranked number 1 because video is so powerful for these types of keywords. Okay. So I'm ranked number 1. This is because YouTube and Google have associated with my YouTube channel with authority in the software review space. You can build this. And this is what I teach you how to do with Faceless YouTube channels is that you can go out there and actually start crushing it and making money with your YouTube channel. And you don't even have to be on camera. Like right now, what I'm doing is I've got a microphone and screen recording software, and then you just go to work, right? You can do keyword research. You can go up to the top up here and say, what software, for example, you can come down here and just see what's going on. What software to use for t-shirt design, right? What software do you use for 3D printing? Look at all these different questions that people have that you can be the person to go out there and answer these questions over here. Another thing that you can do is you can go over to Answer the Public, this tool over here. And you can go over here and you can say, what software, and you can push search, and then it's going to go out there and actually do the heavy lifting for us and find questions that people are asking in Google and YouTube. And then we can go out there and you can actually go and create a YouTube channel very quickly and blast out content, and answering people's questions will go into list right over here. And you can go ahead and see what is software versus hardware, firmware, application. We can just keep going down. What software for a website? What is firewall software and hardware? Right? What software is like Canva? That's like Canva alternatives and so forth. What software is like DocuSign? What software is like Teamwork? You could go out there and you could practically create an entire Faceless YouTube channel just answering this one basic broad keyword, what software is like. And then boom, it's got all kinds of stuff. There are people out there looking for this. You could also go out there and look at different softwares. We could go over here to another place, Futurepedia, and you could just look at popular, right? So we can go to popular tools, and then you could go over here and just say, like right over here, Tome. I have no idea what this is, but it's got a lot of people that have bookmarked it. So then I'd click over here and I would just go Tome, and maybe it's Tome AI. So then I would go copy, and then maybe I would go over to Google or YouTube. Let's go back over to YouTube and just say Tome. I'm just going to type in Tome AI, and then we'll see, look at all this stuff that people, Tome AI storytelling, Tome AI Pro free, Tome AI free download, how to use, and then animation. And then we could say alternative. No one has typed that particular video in, but I guarantee you, if you make a video on this right over here, that people are going to find your video. You could be the first to the game with that, right? If we come over here, I like to click on the actual visit the site. And another thing that you can do to see if you're going to get views and if there's traction and traffic, and that there's an audience out there for your video content, it's a similar web. We can click on it and it's going to tell us that 3.1 million people come to this site right here alone. This is a software that is popular. So all you have to do is just go Tome AI, and then you could also go in and use another SEO tool that I use to go out there and see what else is out there. We can go out and do a research and then go into overview, and then we could go with keyword research and just type in Tome AI and analyze and see what comes up right over here. So Tome AI, there's over 12,000 people searching for that right now. And then we can come over here and we can look at related, we can look at questions, similar keywords right over here, AI PowerPoint generator, Tome AI review, etc. You can go look at some more keywords in here as well. So essentially, I just wanted to show you that I can tie back sales to this Faceless YouTube channel. If you want to come in here and check out the 6-Figure Freedom Club, we also can go over here to Classroom, and you can see you get the YT Affiliate Blueprint, where I teach you everything from point A to point B, exactly what to do, how to do keyword research, what equipment I use, how to set everything up, and how to go out there and start making channels like the one you're watching right now, where you can just go out there and teach something that you know. I even do this one right over here, where I do a brand new channel right in front of you, and I take it from 0 subscribers to over 1,000 subscribers, getting thousands of views per month. And I show you how to do it right from the scratch, right? And if you want to learn about how to create your own courses and sell those online, sell them to your email list, sell them to your YouTube channel, then I've got this one right over here. It's going to shortcut. You're going to be able to create a course very, very fast with that as well. We've got some really good stuff. And then we have a live free call, one live Zoom call that you'll be able to get on every single week. And then we have all of the recordings right over here. You can see like clockwork every single week. We don't skip a beat right over here. We just uploaded Friday's call right over here. YouTube growth and content creation tips right there. So thanks for joining me. Make sure to subscribe to Faceless YouTube Profits if you want to learn all about how to create real faceless YouTube channels the right way, and the way that doesn't cost you $300 per video to go out and then publish that, and then crickets, you don't get no views, and you just spent $300 on one video, right? You don't have to do that. And that's what everybody else is teaching you to do, but you don't need to go out and hire a team to make this work. You can actually be the leader and the steerer of your ship, and you can go out and create the content yourself and do it much like I'm doing on this channel right over here. If you want another example channel, I'll leave a link to LearnWire as well. You can go check that out. This stuff works, guys. You just have to go out there and actually take action and become a content creator creating these videos. Thanks for joining me. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.